large amount of media involved. For example, an enormous video wall. The team from Nova Vision did everything possible, and even the impossible, to make it happen. Not only did they deliver it quickly, but they also managed to assemble it in under a day. And now, it's fully operational. We plan to integrate many more elements over time, but for now, this is a huge step forward. All of this was designed so that our viewers enjoy not just the specific perspective, but also the visual experience.
The change of scenery is not just about a new studio. It's an opportunity to expand the scope of our coverage in On Duty America, offer deeper analysis of events in US circumstances, and report on what's happening within the American context. We're ready for a new era of broadcasting here on RTVI US.